Introducing the Cardot smartphone car alarm. Prevent car thievery. Discreetly call for help.
On the move! I dare you! Don't kill me! I'm fighting you! Keep driving! Keep driving!
Know when your car has been hit or moved. Know when your car has been broken into. You can control the car without the key fob, for example, unlocking or locking your car, starting or shutting down your engine, opening the trunk, sounding the siren, finding your car's exact location. Passive keyless entry via Bluetooth. Shake to lock or unlock your car. Give access to your car without the need for a key fob. And many more features on the app, such as monitoring car activity and so on. The Cardot smartphone car alarm protects you and your vehicle. Experience a life-changing car alarm system today.